This is how to view and copy the Wi-Fi passwords of networks you previously connected to so you can share them or just use them yourself. If you get value from this video, make sure you like and subscribe to let me know. I really appreciate it and it really helps the channel, so thanks for doing that. Tap on Settings to get started. Scroll around on the main settings page until you find Wi-Fi. Tap on that to open it. Here you're going to see a Wi-Fi network you're connected to. If you're connected to one, you're going to find options for Wi-Fi networks nearby you can connect to. Tap into the one you want to find the password for. This is the one I'm connected to currently. We see a password here. It's dotted out. If you tap on that and then use Face ID, you could unlock the password. And then immediately a little copy button appears. You can copy that. Now you can share that with your friend. If they come to your house, they need the Wi-Fi password, you can now just text to them and it's super simple. An iPhone makes it even easier actually. If they're trying to log on to your network and you move your phone close to theirs, the phone will automatically give you the option to share the password by just clicking a little button and just puts it into the password field for their Wi-Fi. It's super slick. If you want to see the password for a Wi-Fi network you previously connected to, here's how you do that. Go back, tap on Edit in the top right. It's going to require Face ID again. And then you're going to see a bunch of the networks you've connected to in the past. And most of these I don't even know what they are, but I don't know. I guess we visit a lot of places. There's one called Cheese. If you find one you want to know the password for, just tap on the I to the right of it. That takes us into the information section for that Wi-Fi network. Tap on password again. And didn't need Face ID that time. And there's the password to that Wi-Fi network. Then tap on copy and Bob's your uncle. You've got the password for that Wi-Fi network. I hope this video helps. If it does, let me know by liking and subscribing. Then check out this video on your screen right now, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your iPhone. You've probably never done it, but it's something you should be doing on a regular basis. So check out that video and I'll see you there.